Meanwhile, I'm here with my daughter trying to sell this car. Lady came with a freaking money order from Western Union. Never had that done before. She tried to I don't know, it was just kind of skeptical. She kind of looked away. It was like when she gave it to me, it was like, I got the receipt for it. Showed me the receipt. It was like from February 1st. I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna need cash. So she's like, all right, well, I'm gonna go to the store really quick. And she left her blanket and stuff in here. So who knows? I don't know if she thought she was just gonna get on with the car just like that. But if she comes back, then hey, that's one thing. But I doubt she's coming back, so we'll see. Guys, I guess us being in the cockpit of this car only means one thing. She actually ended up coming back. I guess the money order was actually legit, but the way she did it was just so unlegit. It didn't look like it was good at all, honestly. It looked kind of like shit was kind of scammy, but I mean, they came back with the cash, 500 real $100 bills, and it's on to the next one, man. What's up, guys? We are back here with another auto auction update, man. You see the dips in here, man. I got my beanie right here, but I had to get y'all right, man. You feel me? Nah, but we had the auction where I got the Kia from, and it's looking like they have a new note on the window. Please do not open doors or hoods or anything like that, because I guess somebody been taking the keys and stuff like that. So I guess we can just check them out from the outside, and it looks like they got a pretty decent amount of good cars here. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Let's get right into it now, shall we? Alrighty, guys, we got a 2007 Mercedes S550 here, 92,000 miles on the clock, man. It just sucks that we can't open these cars. I honestly think this one was here before. I kind of remember this one, honestly. I think this one might have been here before because it did have the AMG wheels along with that little AMG on the back. No, the other one had the AMG on the back, but man, this thing looks beefed up with the quad pipes on the back. Got the nice AMG wheels. Man, that thing looks beastie. Too bad we can't even open the doors or hoods anymore, man. Got a little bumper hangers right there. Nothing too crazy. What y'all think about the 07 S550 AMG kit? It does have a few different wheels on it. So, I don't know what y'all think about it, man. Let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2012 Volkswagen Jetta here. This one actually has 137,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty good. Looks like they cleaned it up pretty nicely. The wheels are armor down, pretty clean and pretty sauced up, if you ask me. If you check out the inside, I mean, you got some black leather. Again, guys, we can't open the car doors, unfortunately, so we got to do what we got to do. But we'll just make it quick for you guys and get you guys the best cars, because I mean, we can't open anything anyway. So what you guys think about the Volkswagen Jetta, let me know in the comments below. Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2008 Mazda CX-9 here, 161,000 miles on the dash. First glance, it does look pretty good. Looks armored up. I'm loving this color on here. It's not like a gray, it's like a pearlish type color. It does look really good, though, if you ask me. The headlights could use some restoration. Black interior, leather. It does look really, really good up in there, so that's a plus. Man, really good looking car, man. This is not gonna bring them as much money in, huh? What you guys think about it? Alrighty, guys, next up, man, we got a 2015 Kia Forte here, 54,000 miles on the dash. Now, this is definitely more my flavor right here. Thing looks really, really good. Really, really clean. They armor this down. I guess they want these to sell at the highest price, but it's like you can't even look inside. So I don't understand how much they're looking to get, but that just makes it better on people like me that's willing to gamble on something like this, and just look and seeing. So makes it a little bit better for me. But what y'all think about the Kia Forte, man? Let me know in the comments below. Guys, we got a 08 BMW 750 Li here, man. Looks really good body wise. Me personally, I would pass on the 7 Series BMW of this model, man. These things are It's too many problems. I don't even want to get started. Everybody I knew that had one of these, man, they all like had issues with them somewhere down the line. And this one does have a tequila kick on the side. Yep. But I mean, body wise, it does look pretty good. It looks like it has some black leather. Interior is not the best, but it is what it is. And these are just some of the cars that don't run back here. Don't run or just like super jacked up. Got a few cars back here. And all these cars are gonna go for like probably like $250, $300. This one in particular may go for about maybe $5. It looks like the body's all together on this side. All you need is just body parts on that side. Where's the damage? Okay, this is the damage. It's honestly not that bad. It says no run, no key. So it may run. They may not just have a key for it, but who really knows, man? You guys want to take a chance on the Ford Fusion, man? Let me know in the comments below. But not really too many options back here. Got a Lexus GS back here. Little surveillance van. Wow. I wish I can see in there. Okay, so the inside is completely stripped. But I mean, you got a van. Throw some bikes or something back there, or I don't know. What y'all think? Few other cars. You got a Chevy Cobalt here, 175,000 miles on it. Does run and drive. This one seems like it'll be pretty fair. However, it is a stick shift, so it may go a little bit cheaper than the others. But this will be something I will be willing to bid on. Just by looking at it, it does seem like it'll go cheap. You guys know by the purchases I've been getting lately, I've been trying to keep it cheap, man. Trying to get the most bang for my buck, honestly. But you know, we'll see what we can get out of that Camaro. But I mean, they got a few cars here, man. They got a Honda CR-V here. They got a 07 Honda CR-V here. Got a little gappage right there. Nothing crazy at all. Body actually looks really, really good. If we swing back around, you got a little bumper gappage there, of course. Little trim piece coming off. But if we take a look at the inside, it does have black leather interior, which does look pretty good. Got the tint on the back. Leather seats in the back also do look fair. So I'm sure everything's gonna go cheap here today, guys. Like you guys see, it's usually like a bunch of people here, but literally it's like nobody here because you can't even open the cars or anything like that anymore. So, you know, I'm sure this probably won't last that long, but if it does, hey, you know, when I get done at the other auctions, when they don't have an auction on Saturday, I'll be here. They got a little Lancer here. What is this? They got an 08 Mitsubishi Lancer here, 94,000 miles. Pretty good looking car. Pretty good looking car. Inside does look pretty whooped. Not that bad, but seats is like stained and stuff. You got that Wang Gang on the back. Big Wang Gang, man. Oh no. Sheesh. If you don't like it, then slice your wrist. Golly. Tequila kicked up. Jet lead in. Woo whammed out. With the sunroof, man. What you want to do? Let me know in the comments below. Y'all remember these Acuras, man? This thing been here like 4 times. Nobody picked it up yet. They finally got some seat covers for it. Oh yeah, I can't open the doors. I forgot. But yeah, they done cleaned it up. Got some seat covers for it. I forget what's wrong with this joint. But it cleaned up nice, man. See, if I would have got it this high, it would have came out. It would have looked real good. Real good, man. That's crazy. So, alrighty, guys, that's going to be a wrap for today's video, man. If you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. Got a few cars here today, honestly. But Again, we can't open any of these cars, man, so I don't know how long this is gonna last. They've been saying people been taking the keys and stuff, so you never really know, man. So if you haven't already, please like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.